Hey, welcome back. Glad to see ya. Glad to have you here. I am so happy that you chose to click on my video because I am a newbie. I'm small. I'm a small bean and I need friends. I need people to engage with me so that I stay motivated and I want to keep uploading. So if you clicked on this video, it means the world to me. It means the world to me, okay? So if you don't know who I am, my name is Hayes, the one, the only. Oh, my bad. I almost exposed my government name. Hayes. So today I wanted to go ahead and do my nails. It's something that I have recently just become obsessed with because my entire life, all I've ever used is regular nail polish. I've never given myself the opportunity to fully explore gel polish, and girl, gel polish is a whole other breed of polish. It makes doing your nails so much easier and quicker too because you can just set it with a UV light. Recently I've just been in disbelief that I've gone this long without using gel polish consistently because it makes doing designs so much easier and it just makes it so much more enjoyable. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let me just go ahead and show you guys my inspo pick for today because we love inspiration. I get fixated on things a lot, so if I find another hobby that I really enjoy, you'll see I just get like, I get really ecstatic. Some things just give me so much dopamine and serotonin that I get obsessed with it and I do it over and over and over again, and sometimes I get burnt out and I stop liking it. But this one, I'm not gonna get burnt out because the enjoyment I get from doing new nails every week. So this is going to be my inspiration for today. Pretty cute. Here's another angle. Do you guys like? Because I love. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily use that color palette because it's very like bubblegummy and I'm just not vibing with that. But as if I don't have enough nail polish already, I got another kit. I can't help it, guys. I just get so obsessed and then my wallet suffers because I will spend so much money on my hobbies. But it gives me enjoyment, so that's what matters at the end of the day, right? I hope I stay in focus for this video. If I am out of focus at all, I'm sorry. As you can tell, I'm newer to making YouTube videos, so the camera I have is pretty old. It's probably like 4, 5, or 6 years old? 7? I don't know. That was pretty old. So I am planning on upgrading my camera eventually, but I want to wait until I get a following. So if you are watching this and you like my vibe and you like my channel so far, go ahead and hit subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Okay, so let's stop procrastinating and get on with it. I was kind of bummed because when I got this kit, I was under the impression that the bottles were bigger, but they're small. They're small little bottles. See? So small. One thing I really like about this brand Beetles, it's from Amazon, is that they put like, can you see that? So they put the color of the polish on top. It helps me keep my polishes super organized, so it makes it super easy when I'm doing my nails. So I am probably going to have to change this angle at which I'm filming, and I don't know how to film this because my desk is tiny. I could probably set you guys like back there and angle it down, but I feel like that's not a very good angle. All right, brief intermission while I go ahead and get this set up. BRB. Okay, so I have this new angle set up. I think it's going to work. I'm gonna go ahead and angle you guys down more so you can see what I'm actually doing. My roommates are home. I live with my brother and sister-in-law and my nephew who's turning 2 in March. So if you hear a lot of noise in the background, that's why. That's one thing that you're probably just gonna have to accept if you watch my videos, is that my family is loud. So it is what it is. You just gotta let it be. Okay, so now's the fun part. So let's go ahead and get you guys angled down and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you can't tell, my desk be getting a little messy because this is where I do all my crafts. So Yeah. But basically the first thing that I like to do when I do my nails is I like to use this instant cuticle remover. I feel like it does a really good job at softening the skin, so that way when you push back the cuticles, you're not doing too much damage to your nails. So you're just gonna go ahead and put on a decent amount and just let that soak into your cuticles for about, I would say like a minute. Sometimes you don't even need a full minute. So once the cuticle remover has soaked in, I told you these mofos are loud AF. I have this kit that I got. This is just to go ahead and help push back the cuticles and also remove any dead skin. I like to use this to push back the cuticles. I really highly recommend getting instant cuticle remover if you don't have it, because that was honestly life-changing for me. I never knew I needed it until I got it. After I push back the cuticles, I just go ahead and use whatever the heck this tool is, and then I'm just going to go ahead and scrape off any excess dead skin. Once I finish pushing back the cuticles, I'm just going to go ahead and take this 100% acetone, and I'm going to go ahead and, oops, I'm going to go ahead and take a cotton ball and just get that all soaked up with that stuff. And then we're just going to go ahead and do some cleanup. I think that cuticle prep is the most crucial step to doing your nails because it ensures that you have a long-lasting manicure. Jeez, oh my god, crusty. So once you're finished pushing back your cuticles and removing any oils with the acetone, you're just going to go ahead and use this cuticle clipper, I think that's what it's called, and just remove any extra dead skin. So when you're doing this, you want to ensure that you are being extremely careful, like extremely careful, because it is very, very easy to accidentally clip live skin. And you do not want to do that, because then you are going to be left with an ugly scab, and also the little cuts hurt the most. So just avoid doing that. Be very, very careful. Now that the cuticles are all prepped, we can just go ahead and move on to filing our nails. I like to do a square kind of coffin shape on my nails. At this point, you can just shape them however you want. Personal preference, so do whatever you please. You feel me? You feel me. Okay. I started doing gel extensions on myself and I got a little file happy, so we are just trying to keep the filing minimum today and prevent any further damage. So I'm going to go ahead and lightly buff my nails, but lightly because, as I said, my nails are kind of damaged, so I'm not gonna do too much, you know? My nails can barely handle anymore. Buffing the nails ensures that the polish sticks really well to your nails, so this is something that I would highly recommend doing. Okay, and now they're all buffed, so just one more time I'm gonna swipe it with that acetone. You just want to get any dust particles off of your skin and your nails. So just swippity swipe that off. I feel like the lighting keeps changing. The struggles of having a dark desk. You guys are just gonna have to bear with me, you know? I ain't no professional. Maybe one day I'll be a professional, but right now I'm just a little gal trying to get by in life and film herself doing her hobbies, you know? Okay. And now's the fun part, the moment we've all been waiting for, the moment that I get to paint my nails. I get to paint my nails. And now we switch over to voiceover, Haley. You didn't actually think that I was going to paint my nails and talk at the same time, did you? I'm not that talented. Alrighty then, so we are going to prep the nails once more with nail dehydrator and primer. And once you complete that step, you're going to move on to base gel, the foundation of it all. This basically ensures that the polish adheres to your nail really well, and then additionally, it's going to give the upcoming polish a smooth finish. And from here on out, you're going to be curing each round of polish with a UV light just to ensure that none of the polish smears. Smears. And I chose to use a transparent pink for the base color. This is similar to what they use for a French manicure. So I went ahead and did 2 coats of that. And here I'm just showing you the colors I chose for the nail art. I chose lavender, pastel green, pastel blue, a creamish white, and a holographic glitter. This is my favorite polish of the entire manicure, and at the end you will see why. If you are planning on doing nail art in the future, I would suggest purchasing a brush set because it makes it 1,000 times easier than it would be if you didn't have the brush set. And can you guys agree with me that this is the most satisfying thing ever to watch? Oh my god. I could watch this all day. I am not even lying. Anywho, I kind of just did random squigglies here and there. I tried to differentiate each nail so they had their own personality, I guess. I know I probably make this look really easy, but at least in my opinion, I feel like it is really easy, and I think that is 100% due to the brush. I previously tried doing nail art like this with a shorter bristle brush, and it was not good. It was not good. So, get a long skinny brush, my friends. Ooh, and upcoming is the glitter! The glitter! Look at that! Oh my god, she's shining and she is stunning. She did not have to go that hard, but she did, and we are thankful for that. And after this, it is the final step, the best step of all, the top coat. And that's the best step because it means you're almost done. Am I right? Am I right? I feel like my camera makes the footage not as saturated as it is in real life, so I included a little clip from my Instagram, which is Days with Haze, if you are not following me already. Look at her. She is so beautiful. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed doing my manicure with me because I had fun. Did you have fun? Please like and subscribe, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, that'd be cool. Okay, bye friends. I love you. Bye. Mwah.